You that I love, you. You're welcome. Good morning, Mr. Akuzie Franklin. You're welcome. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome all. Good morning. Be here this morning, everyone. Share this broadcast. It's not going to be like before. Ikwu si n'ụbọchị oke iwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu n'ụbọchị oke iwe n'ụbọchị oke iwe olileanya n'ụbọchị oke iwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m n'ụbọchị oke iwe n'ụbọchị oke iwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m n'ụbọchị oke iwe. The Shadamites, you that I love, ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu n'ụbọchị oke iwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m n'ụbọchị oke ikpe n'ụbọchị oke iwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m gọvanọ n'ụbọchị oke iwe. Good morning, each and every one of you. You're welcome. It is a new day. Ibe, you're welcome. Ibe Bruno, you're welcome. Austin Nebeka, you're welcome. Skyface, you're welcome. All of you, you're welcome this morning to my wisdom class this morning. This morning, I want to make you understand why we are not children. I want to tell you why we are born of conscience. I want to let you know why we are born of flesh and blood in us. I want to tell you why we are not on speed. I want to tell you why we operate within the shores of knowledge. I want to enlighten the eyes of your understanding that you may know the essence of behaving well, being well conducted. Why our parents raised us the way they raised us. We were not born with silver spoon. We were not born with gold. Our parents were not rich. They were not moved by the wrong riches. They were mindful of what they do. I need you to help me share this broadcast. Let it get to those people who sink in their mouth woto woto. Those who comes and echoes nothing they happen. Those who has tagged our people Sabo. I want them to hear my voice this morning. I need them to hear what I am saying to them, because it is a message to the crownings of minds and conscience. Obochi bega Diego. Can I shock you? Physically, nobody gave us golden spoons. You listening to me, there was a time in life, the plates we use in eating, we hustled for it even as children. There were no magic in our life. We had no wrong agendas. That is why you do Yahoo and we don't do it. You know why? We believe in due process. Due process is wealth. Due process is life. N'ụbọchị oke iwe ọ ga-adịrịrị egwu nwanne m n'ụbọchị oke ikpe. Now, I want you to listen to me, everyone. It is morning and I want to speak to you If your father is not alive, I'm speaking to you this morning in the language of your father. If your mom is no more alive, I want to speak to you in the language of your mom this morning, that you may learn and understand to be patient with yourself. How would you feel when you go to fetch water from the streams and on your way coming back, the cup got broken, or the pot, the calabash breaks and the water throws away? We were born not quite long ago. We were born when to see borehole was an issue. We were born only, during the time only those who lives in United Quarter has access to clean waters. We were born the time within in Port Harcourt. If you need water, you go to Imo River. You trek to Imo River, use gallon and fetch water and drink. There were no boreholes. The only places you can find borehole, if you go there, you meet crowd. But just for us to meet up, we will advise our parents. We'll go to the sea, fetch water, return back to the house, tell our mother to boil it, that we'll drink it like that. We survived during the time of difficulties. Life did not sweep us away. Today, I know you want money. Everyone watching me here, there are mature people watching me here now. What I want to say, they experienced it. That is why they are patient. Can I shock you? There was a time, the only means through which we got spoon to eat, spoon. We will go and pick bottle, you know bottle, empty wine bottle, schnapps. We will carry it and give to those people that sells plastic. When you give them aluminium or you give them bottle, they will return rubber spoon to you. Sometimes they will give you football, sometimes they will give you plate. During that time, when we go to them, Mr. Victor, goodbye from this page. You are asking me where is Gentle, and I'm on different mission this morning. Goodbye from this page. Goodbye, I block you from here. Get out. Now listen to me, everyone. While our mates we are collecting football, while our mates we are collecting banger, knockouts, we collected spoon, we collected plates, we collected money. Those monies, what did we do with it? We returned the money to our parents. That was when we started learning how to save. That was when we started learning how to save money. We were not desperate in life. I know you're complaining. You are desperate. You want money. You want this. You want that. We were not in a hurry. We grew up with our parents. We saw our mothers suffer before us. The good thing is that, or the good news is this: our parents impacted into our lives to be patient, to follow due process. That is why we don't have okite. That is why we don't support evil. The credit goes to our parents. The credit goes to our dad, goes to our mom. These people, we watched our mother manage life with us. They were not desperate. They saw opportunities to steal from their places of work. They did not steal. My dad was in Stallion Rice. He was the Atale clerk. He rose to the position of being a warehouse manager. He had the opportunity to steal. He had the opportunity to go to the bank. Then when they still issue local receipt from the bank, he had the opportunity to pay for 6 bags of rice and come back to the company and add 0 at the front. The Indian man will not know. He could have loaded 600 bags of rice, sell it and become a millionaire. He did not do that. When rice was sold for 1,007, the man had the opportunity to at least sell 1,000 bags illegally. He had opportunity to steal 600 bags. He had opportunity to steal 6,000 bags. The company would not know. He followed due process. At some point, people were mocking at us. People were saying, your dad works in Stallion. He had opportunity to jack this, jack that. Why are you people keeping quiet? Go and advise him. And the moment any of us brings our mouth to his ear to whisper to him that is still, he slaps you off. The man was never addicted to poverty, neither was he addicted to crime. Another person blocked. He said, I'm not talking about gentle anymore. Oh yeah, goodbye from this page. That's how I do. If I notice you hear that you want to be stupid, I block you from here. You cannot be here. We grew up with patience. I want to ask you, if the only thing you need in life that has led you to commit crime is that you want to build a block house in the city and in the village, then you have poor mentality. After building house, there are other things that follows. God knows what to do for you. Chuku Mario Moge Meremo Obindere du Chuku Mario Moge Mereme Obindere du Chuku Mario Moge Mereme the Shalabites Obindere du Chukumani Amage Mereme I know you want money. Ogadema, be patient, Jirinwayo. Obindere du Chukumani Amage Mereme Obindere du Chukumani Amage Mereme. Somebody asked me yesterday. A friend asked me. He reminded me first. He said there was a time about 7 persons were staying with me, of which he happens to be one of them. He said that one thing that marveled him is, how do I manage to feed everybody then? Everybody. How do we manage to feed them? That's often at the end of the day, I provide. And I said, I learned it from my parents. He said, how? Let me shock you. While we were growing up, sometimes we do meet our parents when there are no food in the house. We will go back and buy spaghetti. We will bring it back home. While our mom, she's exhausted on that day, daddy has no money. We will cook it, bring it out. Our younger ones, as many as we are, will join and eat it, and everybody will be satisfied and sleep. The next day morning, we will remember that we still have 200 naira. We will go and buy another thing, cook, everybody will eat. We'll go out again and hustle. Those days, Saturdays like this, by this time I am at the waterside. It is not magic. In Abloma Jeti, everybody knows me then. I'll go there, carrying my empty shell of Isam to return back across the water, Okujaga across water, then to buy Isam and return back, sell empty shell of Isam to them, then bring back men Isam to the land and sell. On Monday will be school. So anywhere our father, our parents failed to meet up, we will cover up that space. We are not blaming them. See, that your dad, your mom is poor doesn't mean that it is their fault. They respected the due process of life, and the due process did not favor them. Yet they did not compromise. Now listen to me. We grew up, the situation of life made us strong. We learned from the happenings around us. Today, people out of their desperation, because they want to make money, they are giving birth to kidney issues nationwide. Those soft drinks you buy for your children, those fake and illegal materials they are producing and importing into the country, and some custom officers are taking bribe, allowing them to bring those things into the country. They are the things causing these kidney issues. While a woman, Mrs. Dora Akunyere, was fighting all these things, when she died, the enemy celebrated that the woman who came to block their way, she's no more. And each and every one of us kept quiet when that woman was like a sound voice in the wilderness, crying for her lives. I want to ask you, as at 2007, was there any record of this kind of level of kidney issues? Were there no population in the country as at then? Chai. The Shanamites, you. I'm alive now. So the fake products you are bringing into the country out of your desperation is busy causing kidney issues nationwide, and you're comfortable with it, or because you make money. And if we point at you and say, look at the product you are bringing in, it's fake, you will sue us. You will tell us that your product has NAFDAC number, but you know it is fake. You know that NAFDAC compromised. And you are in the church also donating money. Evil, wicked generation. The people does not want to know. The Shanamites.
You know the mystery behind songs. Do you know that native doctors they sing?
The things you are bringing in, the things you are making those your wealth from, they are the things giving our people kidney problem. You are comfortable, all because you want money. You see what desperation can cause. You think that to kill people is when you use gun or machete and kill people. I want to ask you, that your wealth, how many lives has it claimed? How many lives has it claimed? You go and import some medicines you know that will even kill humanity.
You solve certain problems. You know what it does for me? It gives me joy.
You are part of the CCCs.
It gives me joy. I try to control.
You are part of the problem we have in this world and in this society. We are complaining about unknown government, right? We are complaining about those spying people. We are complaining about Boko Haram. But I want to ask you, how many thousands of persons has your product spied across the nation? Your pastor will not ask you. He will not preach to you. Government does not care as long as they are getting their own allocation. Funny enough, they don't drink those things. They don't drink those things. They don't even consume those your products because they know it is fake. They fight for the people. You know why I touched our parents? That you may know that we also had experience of average background. But we are not compromising it at the detriment of anybody's life or health. People are going extra miles because they want money. Because you want to make billions. Because you want in your old generation. If you pose, then people will be afraid of you. Then you have built houses at the detriment of someone's life. You own different cars. Who told you that your children will sustain them? Who told you that your children will even stay alive to manage those businesses and those monies you've gathered? Straight, let me tell you, stop buying those sachets juice for your children. These things, those preservative chemicals they put in them, what are those preservative chemicals? Our forefathers who lived 150 years, what were they eating? Did they take any of these things? Did they take any of these products? Somebody is busy importing fake things all because he wants to destroy people. In Chinese, if kidney issue is only designed for Nigerians, why are they not having the same result in China? Why are they not having the same number of kidney failures in United States? Why are they not having the same number of kidney failures in South Africa? Why are they not having the same level of kidney failures in United Kingdom? You know why? Their products are being regulated. Nobody is talking about these things. If I lift up one product now and tell you that this product is fake, you Nigerians will watch the person sue me. Court will still judge it and allocate some of my properties or monies to the person. You see how they are destroying lives? Then the government that should have held these people accountable, they will, let me tell you, your Federal House of Representative member, if one person had kidney issues in his constituency and he gives 10 million naira, he has never done anything. Even if he gives 50 million, he has never curtailed anything. What he needs to do first is to start tackling the NAFDAC. Higher than the highest, you are greater than the greatest, and lead than the kind. Lord, I worship you. You are higher than the highest, greater than the greatest, and lead than the kind. Lord, I worship you. The Shadamites. You that I love, you know, yeah. You are higher than the highest, than the greatest, kindly than the kind. Lord, I worship you.
Those days. Wait.
While you see me sing, you see my body, see ghost pimple all over my body, right?
No one great, no one good like Jesus.
You see why sometimes you see me while I'm singing, I'll be touched, I'll shed tears. It will be like ghost pimple all over me, all over me. While I close my eyes, I won't even know where I am. Sometimes while I sing, what I tell you, I don't know. The moment I stop singing, you see, it's no longer there. This truth shall we continue with. Don't be offended when we say it and it hits somebody close to you. When we say the truth and it knocks somebody close to you, don't be offended. It is just the truth. Don't be offended. I want to ask you, those days when they tell you stop taking alcohol now, that alcohol will give you kidney issue, I ask, as 20 years ago, 15 years ago, we used to meet drunkards. They were drunkards, but they were drinking original kai kai. The thing did not damage their liver. It did not touch their liver. As of today, one day I will go and buy that thing. I will buy this thing and I will show it to you on live camera. I'll go and look for it and show you on live camera. Every place you see them say kai kai as of today, it is a poison joint. How do I mean? They sell ethanol, not original kai kai that they cooked out of palm wine. That one does not damage kidney. Some of these cooked drinks you see, they are also ethanol, chemical. And they use it to embalm people in the mortuary. That's what they are selling. Why? In the desperation to make money. Chai! And lead and the kind, Lord, I worship you. Higher than the highest, can lead and the kind, Lord, I worship you.
I want to be a native doctor. There are real men
men who has encountered Christ, and I respect them. You are higher
than the highest, and the greatest, can lead and the kind. Lord, I worship you.
You are
Higher than the highest,
greater than the greatest,
can lead and the kind. Lord, I worship you.
The man, his father was a native doctor. This was where this song was related. So his father died, and there was nobody to serve the deity. They came and told him he was not a born again. But he said to them, I cannot go to bow for any idol. They tried to convince this man. He did not accept. Finally, they called him for a meeting and he went to the village. On his way going back to the city, the vehicle had accident. Everybody inside the vehicle died, including him. So he was amongst the people that lifted their corpses to the mortuary. But when he got there, he said the man appeared unto him. And it was like the man commanded rain of life. It was all over his body. He knew he woke up from the first day in the mortuary. But guess what? God allowed him to go into the process, chemical. He went to try a chemical. The next day, early morning, the guy was inside the mortuary knocking. Let me pray, I am a dog. No one great,
No one good like you, Lord. Lion of Judah, Emmanuel, the richest in heaven. Lifted and lifted and higher, greater than the greatest.
From the mortuary that they should open door for him. The mortuary attendant came in his normal language and said, "They don't want one. Why you not the rest?" Person no go rest for now. He responded and said, "Now they won't do."
The Shanamites.
The mortuary attendant listened again. He said, "You say." The person inside the mortuary said, "I am alive." The mortuary attendant had to take off because of what we last night before. Okay? And he said when the door was open, he started coming out. And the voice of heaven were singing with him in the same language, in the same song.
I'll post this song later today. I'll post it.
And guess what? You are great.
You are good. You are kind. Lion of Judah, Emmanuel, lifted and lifted. Lift your name on higher, greater than the greatest. Lord, I worship you. Higher than the highest, deeper than the deepest. Kali than the kind. Lord, I worship you. Higher than the highest. The Shanamites.
But that does not mean that he does not live. Even those who practice spiritism.
This is where I will stop this message.
It tells you that
Stop the fake product you're selling to our people.
why can't you stand by?
You are the people causing these kidney issues nationwide. They live around you. They are some of them are the big men you respect. They go to places, China, they produce even fake rice. Custom, are you not seeing all of these things? Politicians, I know you politicians does not eat those things. That's why I tell people, stop going for too much cheap article. Stop going for too much cheap article. Your leaders does not eat it. Some of your leaders, what they eat, they go to big supermarkets where they know that there are imported things. Why are they buying imported things? They are careful not to buy food poison. Some of us are so much afraid and careful of the products we eat here. That's why you see some people, what they eat here, when they come back here, some of them who stays abroad, they will buy even spaghetti, macaroni, milk, everything they will eat, tea, they will eat it, they will buy it from abroad and come back here. You think they don't know what they are doing? They are avoiding kidney issues and food poisoning. Your politicians, their wife does not buy Maggi in Nigeria. Maggi. They don't buy salt in Nigeria. They have sea salt. They have this and that, different salt. They are careful. They know that anything can be faked here. You know why you are getting this kind of repercussion as a people? It's as a result of the mistakes you made at the polling unit. When you vote an idiot. Inferior materials. Do you know why you fear our people? The flyover they did in Control Roundabout. Climb that flyover. Go and look at that flyover very well. Then come to Rumokoro flyover. Or go to St. John's flyover in River State. See the one Julius Berger did. You climb flyovers in Lagos. You know how many years some of those flyovers in Lagos they've stayed? They are still strong. There is a flyover in Port Harcourt, one of the oldest, I think the oldest flyover in River State. My one flyover is still kakaraka. Go and check the one they did in my state. And people are still celebrating. When you talk and say this thing is inferior, they will tell you it's a lie. Yo, Thunder Babu there for not appreciating. Why will I appreciate an inferior job? Nigerians are used to fake things. The fake products, Nebuha, go to mortuary and see. I'm not joking. Go if you're not living in Nigeria, if you come back, try and visit one mortuary. You see the number of people you see moving around your street. That's exactly the number of persons you meet in one mortuary. Mortuary is inside one room. Oh, they will stack people. Guinea Buruha. Have you seen where they question any process that applied anybody here? If you are working in Nigeria, do you know why the nurses and the doctors in Nigeria, they behave anyhow? If you bring patient and come, they treat that patient anyhow. Even at an emergency, they will not attend to the person till you bring money. Do you know why? They don't question them here. In US, if you dare try that nonsense, in UK, if you mismanage somebody's health and that person pies on the process, the doctor, the cleaner at the hospital, all the staffs at the hospital, all of them will be in court. Half of them will be jailed. If you're a doctor, ask medical doctors, ask nurses in the US, nurses in UK. If any patient reports you, do you know that somebody at the hospital can report you to the police? You will be jailed.
I want to talk about Reverend Dr. Obi tonight.
Life matters and means a lot overseas. Some of your people coming back from abroad, they will buy soap, and you maliciously, when they keep their soap, you will steal the soap because you know that one is original. Then work on your system here, work on the system of Nigeria, so that fake things will no longer be in the market. No way. You will vote one idiot because he's your relation. You will vote one idiot because he gave you 10,000 naira last time. You will vote one idiot because when you were doing your wedding, he came. So that's enough reason for you to vote an idiot. Emotion has, you see emotion, you see religion, it has finished Nigerians. For 1,000 years ahead, I don't think this thing will live here. Now, my maternal home person, do you know why in the US, a child you gave birth to in Washington, D.C. tells you that he's from Washington, D.C. He has forgotten his selfish relations in California. He has a life to live on his own in Washington, D.C. If somebody is in Alaska, he's born and raised in Alaska, he believes he's from Alaska and does not have any need to vote one idiot from another state who happens to be his relation. Here, somebody will vote Governor Eziokwu because he's my fan, because Governor Eziokwu picks your call. If you do that, you are an idiot. You must consider what the capacity in me, what I can do. If you vote me because of the things I say on the internet, you are mad. You must leave the space of the internet and check my real character. That's the way it is. Check the things I say if I can deliver. Ambitious, you're welcome. This is the truth. Leave your emotions, leave your feelings, leave Governor Eziokwu is your friend, leave my mother is your girlfriend, leave those kind of nonsense. Your politicians, the things they eat, the things their children eat, the sweet, even the clothes they wear, they don't wear Nigerian made. You know why? They don't trust you. It's not as if you don't sew well. If they even want to wear native, they will look for one big designer, cloth maker, and pay him. Tell that person to use original jonkoso, cashmere material, original jonkoso, royal apron to sew for them, expensive ones, original ones.
And when you serve your God because of one little temptation,
you will never accept the gospel truth. Your pastor will never preach the gospel truth. Your pastor will not tell his members to stop selling fake products, that the thing is consuming people. But once somebody has kidney issue, they bring it to the pastor. Instead of the pastor to face the reality, the pastor will start saying that earlier winch are a real kidney owner. Madman. You are a madman. Greater than the greatest, Lord, I worship you. If you leave us, we know. That's why both cream will rub, all is imported. The food we eat, before you see us cook even spaghetti, it is imported. Toothbrush, paste, imported. Sidino, imported. Everything imported. That's the life we live here. You don't know. You know why? We know that what they are selling here is fake, and it will give you kidney issue. We notice these things early, that this is what. And if we want to buy here, if we get to ShopRite, if you see us buying things in supermarket, we will take time. We may take 2 hours inside supermarket. You know what we are doing? If we bring any product, we'll scan it and check first if it's original. So that we'll know the company to sue. Do you know that there are people overseas? You know what they do? That's why the white man is careful. To become rich overseas through somebody's foolishness and wickedness is very minor. Do you know that somebody in the US, somebody in the UK will enter a shopping mall and get busy looking for fake materials? If he scan it is not original, he will sue that company.
You understand?
They will sue that company. Some of them becomes rich like that. In Nigeria, if I go and sue 1 or 2 persons that is producing one fake product now, even your pastor will say, everybody raise your hand. Somebody is against my son. The business of my son has been sued. They will sue me. They will sue me. Then you yourself, their prayer warriors, you'll be very happy. Because liberators don't stay alive in Nigeria. Any liberator here, you must be careful. Do you know why I don't go out anyhow? I don't go to anyhow places. Because I ought to be careful. It's not everywhere I go. It's not everywhere I go. Because I got to be careful. It's not everything I eat. Even I can stay from morning till night without eating. No, it's just me. Instead of me to eat what I don't trust, it's better I stay hungry. Ask people who knows me. I hardly come to occasion you give me something and I will eat. It's a lie. I will never try it. Because even you that is bringing it, you are a suspect.
What will you say?
Then if you are not a suspect, the process of that particular thing you are giving me might also be fake.
Went to the grave to preach to those who
If you doubt me, go to trade fair. Go to trade fair. One small shop you see will tell you that he has his own wine. He has his own wine. He has his own juice. He produces. I am the producer. How?
to lands of the dead, he went and preached to them.
You know what these guys does? They have some one room. They lock people to be producing certain fake things for them. Some of them will run to China. They will produce wine there, ship it back into the country, and tag it that it was produced in Germany, Japan, France, this and that. Fake. These are the billionaires you want me to respect. And for them to have an easy way before God as they thought, they think they can regulate God. The only means is for them to donate 50 million, 20 million naira in the church, so that how many Northerners are doing this kind of wicked things you're doing here? Now let me also ask you, careful how wicked our people are. Take cognizance of this. Take cognizance of this. In the northern Nigeria, how many Northerners are having kidney issues? Make calls. This is not joke. If you have people who works at the health sectors there, ask them, how many Northerners do you see having kidney issues? How many Yoruba people do you see that have kidney issues? Because only Igbo produce those fake materials, fake things. Who will patronize it in the Igbo? You are eating poison. You are eating things that will destroy your soul.
He says an evil spirit, which means God had evil spirit in his custody. You understand?
Some of your churches have bitters, have their own bitters, church bitter.
He says, life and death have I put into your mouth. So those who understand the things of the spirit, the explanation belongs to
NAFDAC, our leaders, Nigerians, Igbo.
Alright. So you are leaving this page now. The three comments.
All of them who produces these fake things, they don't eat it all. Why will you, as somebody who produces an alcoholic drink here, you don't drink it? You are drinking 21 years, produced by Onyocha for 400,000. If that thing you are selling to us is okay, why don't you eat it? We are supposed, your father is supposed to be carrying those your drink, those your products. Your children are supposed to be eating it now, hence it's good. So why are you depriving? Some of these people, they are very wicked though. Their children, if you see things they eat, everything they eat is overseas.
This man was a rich worker.
I should have shown you something here, but I don't think it's wise. I should have shown you something here. I should have shown you one or two things I use in my room. Here, I should have shown you. I would have shown you one thing I use here. It's an eatable item brought from overseas, from UK. It is expressly written on it. They wrote on it that if it expires at so date, please and please do not use it.
And he had a dream.
They will write expressly, hence it expires. Do not use it for the sake of your health. Guess what? 2 weeks before it expires, 2 weeks before it expires, they will bring the date down. They will start warning you from 2 weeks before it expires.
Into reality. This man was once accused.
Now, when I take some of these products and give to my dad, I will warn my dad. Sometimes, as an elderly man, he may not be able to use them. He may keep it, try to preserve it. No. If I get there myself, I will go and search your room. I will check. That is, throw away this one. This one, no use them again. Don't try it. I know they're happy. I will pack them out. He will still be angry. Then I take my time to explain to him. He has understand me now. Fake things are here destroying the kidneys of our people. While you are raising money to take care of people that has kidney issues, also look at those people donating those monies. If they are part and parcel of the problem, use your head. Emotions has made us that we don't even care. Listen to me. Let me tell you this. I know that by the reasons of the kind of truth I tell people, that I may not live 100 years. Does it matter? No. It doesn't matter. Any day I die on the process of speaking the truth, you rejoice, you rejoice, because the next generation will miss me. Even you will miss me. You will remember. It will pain you. But I will be happy that I have fulfilled my days on earth. No regret. You see me smiling each time I talk about this. Those who wants to save their life, the Bible says that they will lose it.
This line, before I don't want to stop.
You see the way it is.
I carry my pants along tonight.
Truth has power. Fake products, because you are supporting them because they do give away on when you have it. There are some of these people who stays abroad, though, people who produces fake materials here. I do see what you write on your page, that this person is your guy, is your boss, is your. You always want a rich man that will be your guy. All of you always want one rich man that will be your guy. What is the process of that man's wealth? Okoko. Truth is bitter and has power. Guess what? All of you whom are dealers of evil, whom are creators of evil nationwide, funny enough, those the only enjoyment you have is this one you are enjoying now. You are not sure of next tomorrow.
1 Samuel chapter 16 from verse 14.
This morning, this one meets you expressly. If I want to lay my feet on the on the unpurchasable throne of truth, on the unpurchasable throne of nature, to say this word. If you are part and parcel of whatever that is taking anybody's life, and you are in support of it, I sit on the gallows of the sons of the Shanamites and I speak to you. The same thing you've given to people falls on you and your children. You produce soap, but your mother cannot use the soap. Your wife cannot use the soap. You own a bakery, but the bread you produce there, your wife cannot eat it. The one you eat is the one they bought from Market Square, which means you're selling poison to the public. Therefore, today, the pains of whatever you've given to the people falls back on you expressly. Uncurable. I did remember those days while we go out to play football. One of my younger brothers came back with ball and kept the ball just at the passage. The moment my father stepped into the house, the first thing he saw was that ball. He said, "Konye with that ball here." All of us kept quiet. He said, "Who here before we finish all of you now?" My younger brother said it's him. That is his friend's ball. That he decided to keep the ball here. Tomorrow he will bring it back. My father said, "It's a ball. Come on, take it back." The moment my brother wanted to leave, my daddy just dropped his bag and followed him up. So that you don't go out and hide the ball and come back and tell him you've returned the ball. My father followed him and got to that person's house and said, "Are you the owner of this ball?" He said, "Yes." He said, "Take." When we got back to the house, when my daddy returned back, my daddy ought to flog him because you collected that ball without that person's consent. And he dealt with him immediately. This was the disciplines of correcting us from not taking things that doesn't belong to us. We grew up with that thing. Your parents, I'm sure they did that. Today, nobody is there to correct you again. You're doing everything for money. Let me tell you one thing now. Let this thing shock you. This thing, many of you knows what I'm saying now. This is how disciplined our mothers were. Today, your own mother, when you bring anything you've stolen and give to them, they will take. See, those days, if you've stayed with your grandmother or your mother is a very disciplined woman, and you people have visitors in the house, the visitors are eating and you go peeping them, looking at them, or the visitor tell you to come and join them to eat, you go and join them to eat that food. When that visitor leaves, your mother will boil another rice, or your mother will cook another fresh soup, lock the door, put you inside the room, bring a sound cane. Your father will be outside, your father will not talk. They will force you to finish food that belongs to 4 persons. Irritant that day. After eating that day, if you see people eating, you will avoid food by force. They will deal with you and discipline you that day. You will learn not to eat too much, and you will learn to respect yourself. They were building in us patience and discipline. All of these people you see on social media making noise, all of these idiots you see making noise on social media, it was not easy for them while they were growing up. Today they are making noise all over the place. Braggers, nonsense talkers and thinkers of evil. Don't listen to them. They were also poor. Everything their parents has inculcated into them, they've forgotten about it. Today they want money, and they drive Mercedes Benz, and they drive a plane. This Chineke Bogo that place. Don't listen to them. Don't leave your right track because of these animals. It could be that the last thing they showcased on social media is the only thing they have. The other idiot the other time said he donated 7 million naira for kidney this and that. It's a lie.
I did not commit anything.
Now me they tell you, I know these people. That thing is packaging. Did you hear what I'm telling you? It is packaging. Both the announcer and the donor lies. Somebody just confirmed here, Chigozie just confirmed. He said, my father did that to me. His father did it to him. They will discipline you. Check this guy you see now, this guy who commented this thing here now. Both him, both his siblings, they will not be moved by any kind of food you bring. Discipline. They won't beat you. They will use cane and surround you. Your father and your mother will surround you. They may parboil 4 cups of rice. You as a child, you must finish it by force. They will be, come on, eat the food. After that day, you will respect yourself. They may not beat you, but I got force. So you need that day. If you see food next time, you avoid it. We are molded in discipline. Do you see why sometimes we don't eat everything? My brother Chigozie, that life your parents added inside of you, do you know what it will be doing now? It will help you to save self. Like somebody like me, do you know I hardly go to fast food to buy food to eat. I prefer red oil rice, babu red oil rice, because I was raised that way. I prefer red oil rice. If you just cook rice, you pour red oil. The way our sisters do cook it those days, they put small fish, that small black fish, they will just remove the head. Sometimes the head, they will even unplug it, pound it together with maggi and curry, or they will pound it with scent leaf, cook it. That rice today, that rice I'm telling you today, that rice we do eat those days. If you eat it, they say you're a poor person. Or you go to fast food and request for it now. It's called Ofoda rice. Do you know it's expensive now? Don't always be moved. And don't be ashamed that you're eating pawpaw. That you'll be seen as a poor person. Do you know the nutrition inside that pawpaw you're eating? Somebody is drinking beer and you're licking orange. You are enjoying better life than that person drinking champagne. That's the truth. You are trekking to job and to your working place and you're complaining. Why? Somebody is spotting that money. Somebody is jogging far, on a far distance. See, if you understand life, you will not be moved. I keep saying this thing on the social space here. I know they poor. Forget your assumption. No, I'm not poor. I'm telling you reality. But I choose to be humble. That doesn't mean you come and dip your hands into my eyes, because I will rubbish you. I'm just okay as a human being, and I'm okay with that. I don't want that size of riches that will make me not to have human thinking again. And I don't want to be desperate, because desperation will make you lose the consciousness of human. Did you learn anything from my teaching this morning? That rice, they said is nothing that year. Today, you know, many of you know how they cook them. Once we want to cook them by ourselves, we know what make our sisters they cook them. The thing go there fire, we will eat and finish. It will be on the fire, we'll be eating it. And let me tell you, your mom always complain that you eat too much, right? Remember, when you go and do job and get money and cook, she will no longer complain that you eat too much. See the sense of upbringing. While you cook, Oga, we learned from small. We learned from our parents. Thank God for them. When we go and hustle and buy spaghetti or buy yes, then there was no Indomie. It was spaghetti, rice. If you go and buy yam or buy those kind of things, you cook it. While cooking it, if we finish cooking it, for the fear and respect we have for our mom, my own money, if she's in the house, after cooking, you go and call her to come and dish the food. Your own money. You go and call your mom. Your own money, you bought the thing, you cook. But do you know our fear? We are not, nobody we get the pot. Nobody we get the pot, nobody we get the kitchen. So that God will respect it. After cooking, we only cook and eat it on the fire if they are not around. If our mom is not around, we'll cook it and be eating it on the fire. After cooking, you will go and call mommy to come and share the food for you, to come and dish for you. Discipline. She will dish for you. You will go and eat. She will dish for your younger ones. She's teaching you how to train them, how to stand for them, how to feed them, how to stand at all cronings. After she dish for you, sorry, the network was bad. After eating and you are not okay, you go back and tell mommy, put more for me. She will not tell you, go to the pot. By then, she must have dished for your younger ones and collect little. That your food, take your mommy, she will only eat little. She will tell you, go back and carry more. You know why? Because it is your own sweat. We grew up like that. There was no pride, no greed, nothing like saying, "I may bring the money, however they want to share." Today, many of you challenges your mom. If you lose your mother, you will see what I am seeing today. If you lose your mom, forget your sisters. So they have life to live. Your sisters, they have life to live. If they marry, they will give birth to male and female children. You, the only mother you have in this life. Although God blessed me with somebody that is better and equal to my mom. Yes, I can tell you this. But what happens when you don't have such pillars around you? If you lose your mom, if you lose, wake up to reality. Don't be in a haste. Those native soup, when they cook it those days, they will say on the sofa, people are supposed to be licking ice cream. Those same native soup today, they are expensive. Do you know why? When people goes to where they are selling food, they will demand for native soup. They want original things, but they don't know how to ask for it. Desperation for money has destroyed Africa. Desperation for money is what has led people to support evil, both in church. both in politics, you will remember these things I am telling you. You will remember. One day, I have a graded friend and a brother like me like this. He woke up one morning and said that his spirit ordered him to delete his social media handles. The guy deleted everything and left social media. And I begin to ask myself, what if this kind of thing comes upon me now? You will remember me.